Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and today's video will be on how to remove lash extensions. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to start off by brushing the current lash extensions that she has on, which is from a previous hybrid set. So today we're going to remove these lashes, clean her natural lashes, and apply a new volume set of lashes. So right now I'm taping down the lash extensions. This is to keep the lashes in place while I add the lash gel remover. And also, once it's time to remove the lashes, I can just slide them down with the tape and it makes it so much easier. So I will be using Glam Gel Remover to take off her extensions. Alright guys, so I will be using these two, I don't know what they're called, applicators to apply the gel remover onto her lash extensions. I'm going to gently rub the gel remover onto her lash extensions. You don't want to be too rough, just be gentle. And put a nice amount, not too much, but a nice amount to make sure you cover each one of her lash extensions. Sorry guys, I couldn't get both of her eyes. I was trying to film this video on my own. I didn't have help. So I just was able to get it to record this left eye. So I'm just going to make it work. All right, so I have my timer. I'm going to let the gel remover sit on her lash extensions for 10 minutes and then I'm going to remove them. So stay tuned. All right, so the 10 minutes is up. So as you can see, I'm going to peel the tape off. And like magic, the lashes are going to come off with the tape and none of her natural lashes are going to come out with these lashes. I promise you. And there you have it. Those are the lash extensions. And as you can see, you do not see her natural lashes mixed in with the lash extensions. If you take your lash extensions off the correct way, your natural lashes will be safe. But if you go pulling at your lashes and just rubbing them out, you're going to destroy your natural lashes. So if you're going to wear lash extensions, I advise you to get them taken out the correct way. Go back to the person who put the lashes on and let them remove them the proper way, not the ghetto way. All right, so at this moment, I applied my Stacy lash shampoo to her natural lashes. I'm using a brush to rub the shampoo into her lashes to get any glue that's left over or like dirt residue to make sure her natural lashes are clean before I apply a new set of lashes. So right here I have a damp cotton swab and I'm using that to wash the shampoo to make sure the shampoo is off of her natural lashes. All right, so I am using my spoolie to brush out her natural lashes before I dry them. And as you can see, I'm using my little air conditioning dryer to dry her natural lashes. Now, in the next clip, you're going to see her natural lashes. As you can see, her natural lashes are still healthy, as if she never had lash extensions on. People think that lash extensions destroy your natural lashes. No, they don't. If they're taken care of properly, you will be fine. And now take a look at these beautiful volume lashes. Like, they're nice and full. They're beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys soon. Be blessed.